we will learn a little bit more about how to get around in the city using the public transportation system. Another aspect about all of the train stations here in Budapest is that surrounding the train stations there are also many hotels as well as eateries, and also various locations that will enable you to get a good cut of the city. In addition, we have major shopping centers. For instance, right near Moskva tér, we have opposite the train station, one block, what is called the Mamut, one of the major shopping centers here in Budapest. And going in the opposite direction, we also have the MOM shopping center, which is on the 56 tram, going in the opposite direction. As you can see, the trams arrive and the numbers are on the sides of the tram that will take you to both the beginning destination and the end destination. The number 61 on the side sign shows Moskva tér, which is the beginning where we are now. And the end destination is called Móricz Zsigmond tér. You can go from one location to another. Móricz Zsigmond tér is also another one of the major transportation hubs located in the city.